Hello, everyone. My name is Donna Roberts. I'm a senior customer success coach with Bright MLS. Happy to be here today to talk about how to set up your hot sheets. So when you log into Bright, you'll be taken to your workspace page, as you can see here, and you'll find the hot sheet widget. You can see here that I have two that are already set up, one for an investor and one for residential lease. So we can have up to 25 of these hot sheets. It gives you a great chance to keep an eye on a particular market. The difference people ask between hot sheets and market watch is you can only set up one market watch, whereas I mentioned you can have up to 25 different hot sheets. In addition, the time frame is a little bit different here on hot sheets. We can do up to 30 days out with the custom option, and we have a little less options available on the market watch. So we're going to manage this by clicking on the manage button in the upper right hand corner. And we're going to add a new one. We're going to select our property type, and we're going to give it a name. I happen to like looking at my market separated by county. It's a little cleaner for me, so I just kind of am going to do an overview of Talbot County here, and we'll save it, right? It's going to pop in at the bottom. I can move that up to the top if it's something that I want to, look at every day. And then we're going to click on Edit Criteria. Once we're in here, we have our change type. If you just want to look at price reductions, you can select that in your area. But for me, just because I like to watch everything that's happening on a daily basis, I'm going to come in, I'm going to click Coming Soon, I'm going to hold down the Shift, and then I'm going to click on Expired, and I'm going to see all of these changes. Okay. Then for our structure type, I'm going to select those options. You can do all. And then when we come down here, we're going to enter our county. And that's where I want to leave it. So now we're going to save it. Once we're done, if we click on our Bright logo, it always takes us back to our workspace page. And we should see that right at the very top here. So again, if I'm looking at this every morning when I get up, have a cup of coffee, I'm going to go in and click on my hot sheet and look at the last 24 hours just to see what's changed. So we can see we have some back to actives, some price reductions, some that have gone to pending, some that have closed, and some that have withdrawn. And again, let's say I didn't look at it for a few days. I can look at a 3-day, 7-day, and with the custom option, once you click on it, you can select a date for which to run. So we can go back. You can see where that goes. It's exactly a month. So if we go in and we want to look at the last 3 days because I took the weekend off, we can go in and just take a look. So you're going to have more data come in from that, changing your time frame. So that is an overview of the hot sheets and how to set those up. You can do this for a lot of things: a zip code, a city, a county, even a neighborhood. So if you wanted to keep an eye on a particular neighborhood that's hot and see when things are coming on and make sure that you're checking that on a daily basis, set yourself up with a hot sheet. Thanks everyone for joining me today.